love of Christ. And I would like to bring you greetings from your sister church, TCC. You are a sister. Once, when you were getting started, you were a daughter of TCC. Now you are a sister. Same power, same authority as Tulare Community Church in the region and in classes and in the denomination. How super is that? That's pretty terrific. And you guys have done it. And thanks to your leadership and Pastor Idor for having me come and talk to you. And also I need to give thanks to my leadership, the consistory and the pastors at Tulare Community Church, who give me the ability to roam around the area preaching and teaching and starting churches and stuff like that. So I give them thanks. So let's just have a word of prayer. What? Oh, you're going to translate all that?
Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't know we were on translation mode yet.
Okay, hasi agan ate pa acho pati pao je na we ni ma to kaga ni hasi ame la ya sori te po TCC ong we to ko te pa hasi pe ji ha da pe da yo ji te pa ha cha da le ni he ke lu la le ja ku tu se yao amya wo ni he yo te pa li we have a TCC we have Oviona Pevet Yao J sister Oviona Ma Pevet Yao Opita Niheta Cheho Oya Pevia Kayame Oviona Wijibo Atutili Uvi T LCC TCC de Cheka Kafa Le Lahu we Yeli de Tu Aquanka Kafa to Yapato Aviana Pevet Yao J Lekevi Yasola Ege to Gala Yoshi Oya Pe Yopune Salati Pamaku Kamaka Hona Tipale Kiati Patigali Obuja Maja Yaji Aleja Lile Yevi Buya Homo Li Obuja Obi Hetipa Yoha Oye Akanchi Vitale Tika Pele Oti Chivi Omu Chitalu Chela Tika Kale Buko Lama Lega Kuma Lega Gavije Pato Nali Aleja Yao Chile Yani Heti Pali Mota Pato Aleja Me.
Yes. Did I say all that? Good. Okay. We're going to read from Deuteronomy 10, verses 12 and 13. Every message is meant to teach, not to punish, not to put down, although the Word of God sometimes tells us that we've done wrong. Absolutely. And since we're human beings, we just about always do wrong. But the Word of God is meant to encourage and to instruct and teach.
Chi tisibo bu ma chi kanan mati chi kanan ti chi mi ha go wa we je li putoko ha ni mole oga ju da ti yan tha li putoko ju le su ha ni ya le su ha chi ya ti chi ta te je li putoko chi we go ani ha te tu ma asia pa to le ani tiga oga pi dai le oga to tu ha li putoko ju le ke te je yao ani mi ki cho yao le ma ya si cho ma cho a su ri te ya ti ji le ya si ji cho ya pa to le ani o kha ga te le ga he ga jo le kai tu li putoko chi ya nya ma la si yao je.
This passage from Deuteronomy deals with the giving of the law. Now, the people received the law while they were sinning the first time that Moses went up on the mountain.
Chive buma siri chive ha kolungowe gisa la chote paha piri only oka de pa phe yao only oka chive wo atutile pili le kuwe choya mole de tu atu ha de tu le kuwe ani choya de pa wen ba choya pato chive le de tu only oka de pa ta ma la yao o pe ma gisa only oka piri ka le kuwe musi ha yo ပြီးလာတယ်တော့ပြတဲ့ပေါ်ဖဲရောက်
Moses was on the mountain receiving the commandments of God. The people were down in the valley worshiping other gods. That is horrible. That's the unforgivable sin. There is an unforgivable sin, and that's to not have faith and trust in Jesus.
ခြေတပေါ်ကစားမှုစီဟာအလီတော့ခေါ်ပြီးတင်ထားဣဆာလာချောတဲ့ပေါ့မလူကဲကာလို့စောင်းတဲ့ရောက်မလို့တဲ့တဲ့ရောက်မလို့တဲ့လာစီတာကိစာချေဝမှုစီဟာရပြတင်ထားဣဆာလာချောတဲ့ပါမလူကဲကာလို့ချက်လာလေမိခတေကရောတဲ့ပါမိခကပိကရောတဲ့ပါအခုပိချေရောက်လေကဲဝေဘေးပါအနီးဘေးပါဖက်ထာမကစီတိချင်းပေါ်လေနောယေရှုခရစ်ဟာမာယူစီတိချင်းဘေးပါဖဲမကစီရောက်မယ်
I know that we don't always have the best faith and trust in Jesus in our hearts. Sometimes the world gets in and we start thinking of other things and we start thinking of ourselves rather than other people, and our faith kind of wanes, it kind of falls off. And as long though as you believe and trust in Jesus, even in those times, He is with you.
Anyway, ni mau kalau jung se le ti si ma pi ma lo si ha nga li na ga si yao. Ke ma ko li ga le anyway ni ma cheo kalau ani ti che yao yao kalau mi gi ve o ji ha anyway ni mau kalau la le to si so si o ji ti pa li job bo si yao. Le chi ve ha ti che ti tha ani o ji si ke to ko ti ha ga phu che li jong mo Yesu Christ ha ani ma chi ba le chỉ là cái thế gì cũng được là anh đó là cái cho gì giàu lại cái bắt đầu uy hạ anh từ từ đó là cho gì giàu thì khác cho gì giàu.
The people of God, like you and me, were in the valley sending up a storm, and Moses brought the 10 Commandments. Well, the 10 Commandments were destroyed because of the anger that Moses had with the people that they were sinning after he was talking to God one-on-one.
Yo isagelo oli oka yuela tekamemele bia to ko te chikowe yuela la tha pila yuela yuela tha isa la chote pa yo pe le alu ha uketela ku pichera la mo pa to le we hali yo yu sa ba yao ji.
But Moses, by the will of God, goes back up on the mountain and he pleads for the life of the people of Israel. And God grants him their lives and rewrites the 10 Commandments. So that's the context in which we find this passage. God tells us how to serve Him. It says in verse 12, and now, Israel, what does the Lord your God require of you but to fear the Lord your God, to walk in His ways, to love Him, to serve the Lord your God with all of your heart and with all of your soul. So what does He want from us? How can we follow Him closely? Well, it's right here in the Old Testament. People sometimes discount the Old Testament because the New Testament is very much relevant to our lives today. Okay.
Yisanya atu di Galoli le kui di antale mo di anta amet sotila li puo pio kolo pola yo ton chiveli no mo di anta ani ga mo yo keli choti pepe ole li puo so chive a lo le li puo so chive di ma na he bi ha chau da ja lo na ya sa ha ki da lo le to le li puo sa le a yi yu ji cho ki ya ti pa li cho de ya.
First thing he says to do is to fear him. What that means is don't be afraid that he's going to kill you, but be afraid because he's so much more powerful than you are. He is great. He's majestic. He is all-powerful, and we cannot draw a breath without the permission and the power of God granted to us.
Opitima no gayo makulai le no wigi sahat no ko le uji ko le uji no opitima no ko wigi sa no ala le do le tu ha ko uji me ho ji ato ko to le yo we kan pa le yi she mo the ye yo we kan pa yi ja yi da ja yi hen ja yo ji te pa ha ko le no ato ti ji ma ko yo we kan pa o ko lu le fa no ha ti ga ho le to si ha ko ji.
How many of you have ever been to the zoo? Everybody been to the zoo? Yeah? Do you like the lions? You ever been to the lion cage? The lion is looking at you, and he's not looking at you saying howdy. He's not saying hi there. He's saying, I would like to eat you. But there's a fence, there's a cage between you and the lion. You know the lion isn't going to harm you, but you still respect the capability of the lion to do that. That's kind of what this fear of the Lord is like. You know that he's good, so he's not going to harm you, but he could if he wills to do so. That's the fear of the Lord.
Cho asuo we su sa lu le tu tu sa bu la ye cha mo jo le che kai we tu sa bu la ye o ko lu cha mo te tha le we la cha si nu ki la yo ti lu kai we ngo si no we ni ma kho te pa le che no we ka ta li yo la cha si kai pa to no ho ha ngo te yan tha ko si yo no ye te yan tha yo li no ngo si yo ki li yo ha le ki ko lu no ha le hai we le yo ma ngo che ke ta pa to yo me ko ani mo te yan tha no we ni ma ko ko ya ke li uwe ani le la cha so ka lu ku nu le we tong la ji jo ho uwe jo la li no we ni ma ko lu pa ko ni ma ko lu jo yo a tu ke le we yo wo ka ta li chwa cha ga ni ma jo ye le ti lu ga ni ma jo ya pa to no we ko ye we ti ma jo yo ya ni ani ki sa ha ko ye ni ma ke fa jo we yi sa we cho te ga we le yo we ka pa u la cha si te ga ja ka pa uwe ke li le ja da ja le hen ja le a tu ti chin ali ti ga ho le ko si ni ma jo vi je.
So that deep respect is the fear of the Lord. The second thing he says is to walk in his ways. Well, the best place to take a look and find out about how to walk in God's ways is to look at Jesus and do what Jesus would do. Whenever you have a choice to make, whatever you're going to do with your time, very important that you use a good portion of your time to work for the Lord. But look at Jesus' life. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm getting going.
Okay, kete ni ma ti ma le chi we bo a chi we ti ma bo yo ya je o chin yi sa ha ta yi ni ma ko lo te chin ta ha le ko si ni ma jo we ni chi ti chin ku la yi ku ye yi sa ge lu tu kai le yi sa ge lu ya ko tu kai ani yi sa ge lu ya ko tu kai ti ta ko ti tu kai to ye jo mo ye su ke le tu ya ya ani hi ku jo yu le ga le yo ti ye ti le ya ko tu kai tu we ye su ke ma la je ti le ani yo ke ti le tu kai o ke ti
Jesus loved everybody, but he always said the truth, and he called out sin, but he always forgave, and he always restored. We need to be like that in our relationships, and he was always willing to use up his energy on behalf of us, on behalf of the others that he ran into. Don't protect yourself so much that you don't do anything for the Lord because you're protecting yourself.